As plants and animals start their early winter preparation, with the sun getting lower and heat dropping down, the summer is drawing to a close. Animals stock up their food for the winter, and while few start to hibernate, trees start to shed their leaves. And along with that, the leaves start to change the color. But ever wondered, why do leaves change the color in autumn? As the days grow shorter later in the year and the temperatures begin to plummet, photosynthesis slows down and produces less food. Chlorophyll in the leaves fades, allowing the foliage to explode in hues ranging from red to yellow. These colors form due to chemical changes, and additional colors are formed through the development of red anthocyanin pigments. Some mixtures give rise to reddish and purplish fall colors of trees, while others give sugar maple its brilliant orange. All these colors are due to the mixing of varying amounts of chlorophyll residue and other pigment in the leaves. In autumn season, when it starts to get cold, some plants stop making chlorophyll. Instead, those plants break down the chlorophyll into smaller molecules. As the chlorophyll goes away, other pigments start to show up the colors. This is why leaves turn yellow or red in autumn. And the plant absorbs the chlorophyll molecule before the leaves shades, only to be used it again in the upcoming spring season. But with different location around the planet, the trees may or may not shed their leaves, such as, in north, most of the broad-leaved trees shed their leaves in autumn. However, the dead brown leaves of oak and few species may stay on the trees until the growth starts again in the spring. In south, where the winter are mild, some of the broad-leaved trees are evergreen, that is, the leaves stay on the trees during the winter, and keep the green color, which is due to the chlorophyll pigment. But why do deciduous trees shed their leaves in autumn, but conifers do not shed their needles? Deciduous trees lose a lot of water through evaporation from their large and thin leaves. In summer, this does not pose a problem, since the roots soak in enough water from the soil, but in winter this is not possible because the soil is frozen. If the leaves are not shed before winter, the water will continue to evaporate and the plant will dry up. Therefore, the deciduous trees could shed their leaves as a precautionary measure. In contrast, the needles of the conifers are leathery and small, and there is very little evaporation through them. The needles are also frost-proof and stop the growth in winter. Also, the shedding and change in the color of the leaves is not only affected by temperature, but also by weather, light and water supply. Like the early frost will weaken the brilliant red color, or low temperature above freezing will favor the formation of bright red color in maples. Also, rainy or overcast days tend to increase the intensity of fall colors. So the best time to watch the autumn color would be on a clear, dry, cool day and not a freezing day. And enjoy the colors, as it happens only once a year. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button.